Welcome to my accountancy class. Students, in this class, today we are going to learn the next concept of the partnership form. The concept is dissolution of a partnership form. Dissolution means the end of the form. End means when a partnership form is continuing. Now, because of any reason, whether loss or the mutual consent of the partners, because of any reason, now there is an end of the partnership form. The partners are not longer to run the business in the partnership form. So, as you all know that when any business entity is run by anyone in any form of business organization, business transactions are recorded. The business transactions are recorded first in journal. From journal we prepare the ledgers. From ledgers we prepare the trial balance. And after all, from the trial balance we prepare trading account, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Finally, the assets and liabilities are recorded in the balance sheet. And at the end of any accounting year, we are having only one thing, one statement, that is balance sheet. So at the end of any accounting year, if we are talking about that which statement is open or which accounts are open, we can say that only one statement is open, that is balance sheet. That is balance sheet. And which account is open? All those accounts which are in balance sheet. That is, all the accounts of liabilities may be internal liability, that is capital. Let's suppose here two partners were, partner A and partner B, total capital of the partners. Next, loan, creditors, bills payables, general reserves, etc. These are the liabilities, and the total of this will be the same as assets. Now here we are taking some assets like cash, car, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, at the end of any accounting year, we have considered here the accounting year 31st March, from 1st April to 31st March of the next year. Only we are having the balance sheet and the balances of assets and liabilities. Because you are very familiar that only the balances of assets and liabilities are carried forward to the next accounting year. I repeat again, only the balances of assets and liabilities are carried forward to the next accounting year. Not of any expense, income, revenue, or any loss. Not of these. Because these all accounts are closed. These all accounts are closed at the end of the financial year or accounting year with trading account and P&L account. Only the balances of assets and liabilities are carried forward to the next accounting year. And these all the balances are shown in the balance sheet. My dear students, now we have made a problem here that there are two partners, partner A and B. They are having some liabilities, having some assets. Now these two partners have decided to dissolve the partnership form. Dissolve means end of the partnership form. Dissolve means dissolution. Now what will happen? These all the assets account which are open will be closed. And these all liabilities accounts which are open here will be also closed. Means no account should remain open. All accounts should be closed at the time of dissolution of partnership. We start the closing of the accounts. First of all, we close those very assets accounts which are realizable, and then we close all those liabilities account which are also realizable. Realizable means assets realize हो सकती हैं कि बेचकर कैश आ सकता है, and when we are talking about realization of liabilities कि हम उनका पेमेंट कर सकते हैं. Now I am going to teach how to do the solution of any question. Step 1. Step 1. Read the last line of the question and draw the format. Step 2. Balance sheet of the question. To close the accounts. To close the accounts. Which accounts we are closing here? The assets and liabilities. These are transferred to one particular account, and one account is opened here. I'll tell you in the next video. Second, after that, third step is adjustment. Solve the adjustment. Given in the question. After that, step 4. Close the accounts. Which accounts we are talking about here? First, we close the realization account. One account is opened here, realization account. Realization account in which you will realize the assets and the liabilities. After that, capital account, partners capital account, and after that, cash or bank account. There may be another account also, partners loan account, if there is any in the question. Partners loan account is also closed here. Only 4 accounts are closed at the end here. First, realization, if there is loan account, on second number loan account, then on third number capital account, and then the balance cash account. When you are closing the cash or bank account here, there will be no balance of the bank. The total of the debit and credit will match. If the total of debit and credit match, then you can say the complete solution is correct. Otherwise, there is any mistake. So first you learn that how you will solve the questions of the chapter dissolution of partnership. First, you read the last line of the question, draw the format according to the requirement. After that, balance sheet of the question means close all the accounts. Then adjustment given in the question, start to solve the adjustment. Whatever the adjustments are given in the question, you have to solve that. And after that, close the accounts. These are the four steps in which I have taught you how to give the solution. Hope that this video is purposeful for you, meaningful for you. Please give the thumbs up to subscribe the channel. Thank you.